क्या बात कर रहे हो? अच्छा चलो भाई आ जाते हैं. Oh, people think that you're taller than me. Can you first tell them that that's not the case?
That's the case.
What do you mean that's the case?
That's the case. It looks like with the age, you're just shrinking.
मैं 6 फीट हूँ, Sylvia is 5'10". It's not even close. But because Sylvia की आदत है ना ऐसे पेंसिल की तरह खड़ा होने की, और तुम्हारा भाई थोड़ा समझ रहे हो?
That got nothing to do with it. If you are taller, you are taller. If you
So-
are bulkier, how that makes you shorter suddenly?
Because I don't keep my back straight and you keep your back straight. इसलिए.
Yeah, so that's what I said. You are getting like this old man now, and you are shrinking.
इतनी
You're
it's
getting
such a
scoliosis or something.
it's such a nice day, such nice announcement we are doing, and you're abusing me on this day
You
also.
started it. I don't know what was the point of saying
Imagine
that
the.
I'm taller.
अच्छा चलो sorry भाई मेरी गलती हो गई. पता नहीं मैं randomly क्यों
How
बोला.
is that related to a topic today?
Sorry माफ कर दो भैया. तो भाई और बहनों welcome back to a very special vlog. आमने सामने बातचीत. You want to say something or?
I think you guys already know by the title of the video.
हाँ टाइटल में हमने डाल दिया होगा.
So we're not going to prolong it for a while because you already know. And I think some of you know it for a while already because this guy was giving you hints, lots of hints. At first, I think not many people got the hints or, seen them. And then I think many people noticed because you were giving bigger and bigger hints.
I mean, that was my plan. That I will give these subtle hints to everybody. धीरे. और काफी लोग, I mean, still a lot of people don't know. That's why this vlog is happening. So we thought कि let's quit the games and let's talk आमने सामने and just let you guys know कि what should we tell them. पहली बार है तो it's very difficult for me to, I don't know how to say it. मतलब कैसे बोले? We have become.
I'm pregnant, guys.
Oh, yes.
I'm pregnant. So we are going to be parents.
तो हम मम्मी पापा बनने वाले हैं.
For now, I'm a mommy to this boy. So actually, this is going to be my second baby, your first, and my second. But so many years of experience I have with you, I'm so prepared for the small baby now.
ये तो ज़्यादा बोल दिया सिल्वी, तो too much बोल दिया. इतना like I'm so bad. क्या मैं इतना बुरा हूँ?
No, you're not bad, but you helped me with my experience. That's all I'm saying.
तो हाँ भाई और बहनों, we are going to be parents and the issue is why बहुत लोग बोल रहे हैं कि मेरू भैया why didn't you tell us before? The issue is कि I didn't know how to say it, because I don't know, like it's something very new for all of us. But we never. That's why I was, giving these small hints, and I was kind of, doing it in that way that you guys will understand. तो अपने आप लोगों को समझ आ जाएगा. But आया काफी लोगों को, many people actually understood it. But then I was like, what? It's actually very unfair because आप लोग हमारी family का एक extended part हैं. We started our YouTube journey, and I think literally each and every one who's watching. Whoever started with us, back in 4 years back, they are still with us because I see the comments, the same names, the same profile pictures. So it was slightly unfair not to tell you guys, and keep it secretive.
We still kept it a secret for a very long time.
Yeah.
We kept it as a secret from our family as well for a while.
First 3 months we kept it as a secret. Not secret, but we didn't want to.
We just kept it to ourselves.
We kept it to
were
ourselves
just enjoying the news ourselves.
Yeah. So after 3 months is when we disclosed to everybody, and I've been given strict instructions by Sylvia to call it a baby because मैंने कहीं जगहों पे भांडा फोड़ दिया because we obviously will be doing a gender reveal. We know, लेकिन तुम लोगों को नहीं पता है अभी. So you can comment below and guess it's a boy or a girl. हमें नहीं पता.
But this is also interesting because
अभी हमें पता है.
Some people say like, oh, you look a certain way, your belly got this and that shape, so it means it's a boy or it's a girl. So I'm actually very curious to see what people think that
कुछ लोग तो
what the pregnancy looks like. Is this a boy or is a girl?
हाँ तो तुम ही बता दो कैसे लग रही है
Yeah.
boy या
So I
girl?
need to be very careful with this guy, and I will recheck the video after he edits it as well to make sure he didn't say he or she on the video, because he's got a very big mouth, and I told him not to say it to anyone. And then
मुंह
he's
से
like,
निकल
boom,
गया
boom,
यार.
boom, boom, boom.
अबे the problem is I didn't say it like on purpose. एक किसी को बताया गलती से, एक इंसान को गलती से पता चल गया. तो I thought I didn't say it, but you know, like when you say it, I didn't say that it's a boy or a girl, but I said like
No, you said
अभी
it
डर
that
गए.
you
But
said
I-
it that way that it's obvious.
But I spoke like, you know, in this he she way. अब तो इतना तो निकल ही जाता है
So
मुंह से
obviously,
यार.
if you speak he, she, everyone would know it's a girl or boy.
तो जा रहा मत बोल जल्दी यार.
But I can tell you like a small secret of the baby. When we went for one of the first scans, our doctor was very excited about how long our baby's legs
are.
she's like, that's a long baby.
तो हाँ बस इतना ही हिंट मिलेगा टिल वील हैव अ जेंडर रिवील, तो सबको बताएंगे उस टाइम पे. एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ पेरेंट्स कमिंग, पेरेंट्स का भी अराउंड यू नो उस टाइम पे ही आना है. दे आर ऑल्सो प्लानिंग टू कम अराउंड दैट टाइम. सब लोग आने का प्लान है. गुच्ची विल ऑल्सो कम, मदर फादर ऑब्वियसली. और क्या, व्हाट एल्स यू वांट टू से? मैं तो बस यही, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू शेयर द न्यूज़ एंड
The
आई
most important news is out.
हाँ.
And
हो
I think
गया.
we'll keep you updated with the gender
Yeah.
very soon. We need to start the baby's room, and we are quite slow on that topic. So there's not much.
minus 20
What
है बाहर.
mine is doing for you? It's outdoor. The
Yeah,
room is inside the
But when
house,
you look at it, the
guys.
ठंड तो लगती है ना, then you want to sit inside.
Those are his excuses. Those are his excuses. I said you need to paint the room. He's like, it's minus 20 outside.
So,
I
ये
said,
मैं नहीं कर रहा वीडियो तेरे
I
साथ
said,
यार,
it's
तू सारा
plus
insult करती रहती
20
है मेरी.
inside the house. What outside got to do with it?
तो जो रूम है that you know that we never opened the door for, that room is you know under construction. तो obviously we can't reveal the room because पता चल जाएगा आपको.
There are some items there.
अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं है. Now we can show. अभी right now we can show them.
No,
But
no. Because
there are
some
some
items that might reveal
disclose
it.
कर देंगे.
Yeah.
हाँ. तो हाँ बस you know, like I said, you know, we really wanted to share this happiest moment of our life आप लोगों के साथ. But काफी लोगों ने speculation तो की थी in the beginning also when we moved to Poland. अरे नहीं बोलूंगा, don't worry, I'm not revealing the gender. इसलिए कर ले. But I think many people did this speculation, you know, when we came here, because I did say that, you know, we're coming here for maybe we'll raise a family here क्योंकि ये vibe बहुत अच्छी है.
That's also true.
That was
but
that.
some time ago, a while ago now,
एक साल, डेढ़
we
साल हो गए.
recorded a vlog when we reached 500,000 subscribers.
Oh yeah.
No, we didn't reach
Before
500.
that, yeah.
Before that, we said when
Oh,
we
हाँ,
reach
हाँ.
500,000 subscribers, this is the time we'll have a baby.
मैंने
Because
तो ऐसे ही
before
बोला
that,
था.
people were asking when are you going to have a baby.
I think at that time we were around 300,000 subscribers or
And then we said
200,000.
like we promise you on 500.
And हमने
we'll have it.
we just said it. And how weird it is, we are on this 500.
We are still
ऐसा
on
कोई
500.
plan हमने accordingly subscriber base के
So
लिए
I
नहीं
think
किया
that's
था.
why people still not subscribing as much, because they don't want to go to like 600 subscribers. So then they will say you need to be in this
ये
500.
reason है. अच्छा ये reason है कि हम
Yeah, I understood-
500,000 पे ही
yeah,
हैं.
I understood the
शाबाश
reason
शाबाश.
now.
ठीक,
So
ठीक,
guys, we are done what you asked for. Now you can subscribe.
हाँ, subscribe कर लेना. But yeah, I hope कि you know, I don't know, like it's such a right now also it's not synced in. अभी भी थोड़ा सा sync in नहीं हो रहा है. But I think now धीरे धीरे we're getting that feeling. But right now अभी भी it's not that crazy वो parenthood वाली feeling. Are you getting that parenthood feeling right now?
I think I was always a caring person, so I
हाँ,
always
तेरे
had
अंदर
it
तो वो
inside.
ममता है पहले से ही.
Yeah.
हाँ, ये बात भी पता है. मेरे अंदर अभी you know little bit it's happening. अभी हो रहा है धीरे धीरे.
I'm only
I
worried
think-
that he will be eating baby's food.
Actually, बहुत ज्यादा
So I will need to hide baby's food from
बहुत
him.
बेकार जोक. ये तो बहुत बेकार जोक था. This was very weird type of joke जो मारा गया है अभी.
It's not a joke.
बेबी का खाना क्यों
Sadly, it's not
क्या
a
होता है वैसे
joke.
बेबी का खाना क्या होता है? What is baby food like this? What do you call this? Cerelac? मैंने सुना I heard this Cerelac is very tasty.
What is Cerelac?
ये जो होता है वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको? पाउडर, मिल्क पाउडर. What is
This
this?
is formula.
Formula. करेंगे taste test.
Told you
This
guys.
is not how you intended to reveal everything like this. But भाई ऐसे ही हम लोग we are very मजाकिया people and as again I think this humor is also because we are अंदर से ना nervousness is there as well. But आशा करते हैं कि आप लोगों को भी ये हैप्पीनेस मिले और अपने आशीर्वाद हम पे बनाए रखना. एंड ऑब्वियसली यू नो इन द अपकमिंग वीडियोस मोर थिंग्स विल बी शोन
Revealed.
अक्रॉस और रिवील होती रहेंगी. तो बने रहो. और चैनल पे एक नया सदस्य बहुत जल्दी हमारे साथ जुड़ेगा. चले शैल लीव. चलिए आज का व्लॉग सिर्फ यही था. मिलते हैं नए व्लॉग पे. इट्स गुड बाय फ्रॉम मेरू, सिल्विया एंड
a little one.
a baby. नमस्कार. अच्छा था. ये अच्छा था, क्यूट सा था. आई लाइक दिस टाइप ऑफ वाइब्स इन द वीडियो. तू वैसे सिल्विया तू बहुत मेरा मजाक उड़ाती है कसम से.
You can feed me now.
हाँ देखा कौन है बुक्खड़. चले.
I'm not hungry. Baby is hungry.
Look what I'm doing. The thing that you hit the most. I'm zoom. देख क्या करने वाला हूँ. देख अभी देख सिल्ली कहाँ तक zoom करता हूँ मैं. देख.
Cut.
Live your truth and good will come to you.